I could just go around the room, realize just as I look around, everybody here is somebody special, and we're so glad that all of you could be here. New facility that was built just a few years ago was built with 10 booths and was state of the art. We had people coming from around the state to see it, and they were just amazed at what kind of facility we had put together. They wanted one like ours. And the program has gone through a lot of transition, and many thanks to Michael Ford. He is the head of our welding program, and Michael has led in some great strides forward for our welding program. We are now a certified testing site, one of just a couple in the state, and that has really put this program on the map. After today, we have 31 booths. Our goal and our interest at this college is not to hang diplomas on walls all over the county. It's to get people great jobs and great careers. And this program does that.